If you are a meat lover like me, you are going to love this authentic Pakistani Chapli Kebab. Put 2 kg minced meat of your choice in a bowl. We like to mix 1 kg chicken mince and 1 kg of beef mince for that extra flavor. Add in these spices. Add fresh coriander and green chilies. Break in your eggs in there and mix everything with your hands until all the spices have combined properly. Let the mixture rest in fridge for an hour. After 1 hour, take out your mixture, add in the onions and mix again. We are adding onions in the end because onions tend to leave water and we don't want our mixture to get too soft. So now after adding onions, coat your hands with a little bit of cooking oil, take a big chunk of your mixture and make a big patty. Top it off with a sliced tomato in the center. Heat up a good amount of oil in a frying pan and fry your chapli kebab from each side for at least 2 minutes. Make sure your heat level is low to medium, we don't want the sides to get burned. Your amazing authentic Pakistani chapli kebabs are ready to serve. Serve them with naan, chapati and mint raita. Enjoy.